I have a variety of circles here. I have a total of 8 of them. I actually only ended up using 6, so I would do 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small circles. And I painted them all in some Wise Owl Snow Owl. I did give them about 2 to 3 coats. I have this mason jar. It was like color your own mason jar. I got it from the Dollar Tree. I flipped it over to the back and I painted the entire thing in Wise Owl Higgins Lake. And I gave this one really good coat. Once that dried, I then went in with a little bit of Wise Owl Smoky Quartz. And I'm just going to do the lid in the gray. And I want everything to fully dry. I'm going to go back to my circles and I'm going to take my paint marker and I'm going to start drawing 2 dots at the top for some eyes, a carrot nose, and again I'm using my paint Sharpie markers. This does not have to be perfect. You can go in with as much detail as you'd like to. You can add a little bit of rosy cheeks if you wanted to. I'm just going to do the eyes, the nose, and then some dots for the mouth. And I did this on all of my circles. I'm then going to start laying them inside of the mason jar, just kind of placing them as they fit. Again, towards the end, I just ended up using a total of 6 circles, 2 of the large, 2 of the medium, and 2 of the small. And I glued them all down in place. I took some ribbon and I'm just going to wrap it around the top of the mason jar to just kind of separate the top from the jar. I have this small little tag that I'm going to put a little bit of chocolate paint on with a little bit of water to give it more of a stained appearance. And then I have these really tiny wood letters. I get these from Amazon, and they actually have been quite handy. At first, I thought they were too small. I'm going to spell out hand-packed. I'm just dipping them in a little bit of super glue and then gluing them down onto the tag. Once I have them glued down, I'm taking my Sharpie paint marker and I'm going to color them all in white. And then I'm going to glue the tag hanging off of the jar toward the right side. I took a little bow and I'm going to glue that from the tag as well. Using my drill, I'm going to make a hole on the left side and a hole on the right side. And I'm using this wire that's covered like with a little bit of paper. And I'm going to put that through the holes to use as a hanger. And there you go. I think this came out adorable. I really hope you give it a try. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.